this bag finally it's getting lighter and smaller, so hopefully this is the last part of my skincare haul. Elemis, I have their cleansing balm, which been a classic. A lot of people do use it and swear by it, so I will give it a try to it. Then from Schwarzkopf, I have their Gliss Hair Repair Split Ends Miracle Express Hair Conditioner, Ionic Complex, Grapeseed Complex. I use this as a hair detangler, damage hair split ends. Even though it says split ends, I use it all over my hair just to make brushing my hair way easier. And I think this is my second bottle, or the used one while I was in Europe. From Jaya, I have their goat milk face cream with SPF 30, hydrating for dry skin. It's a simple moisturizer, but it does a job, smells nice. I have this product in the past and I did like it. That was the reason why I repurchased. Hand cream from Comfort with glycerin for dry and damaged hands, so we shall see. Couple more hand creams which come in a neat sleek package with a nice artwork. We have one with hand butter nourishing and moisturizing, so yeah, we shall see. It's empty, but it's the hand cream from Dove, hand cream invigorating for dry skin with avocado and calendula extract. It was a nice product which I use in between the hand washes, and it didn't make my hands greasy. Then from Jaya, like I just show you where you were. I show you this moisturizer with SPF 20. This it's from the same line, but it's a heavier version which you can use it at night. So technically that's their night cream, which comes in a small container. And let me just show you something. In the other part, I was telling about me being able to buy this size here. That's the one which I bought in Europe. So this is what? 1.7 ounce, 50 ml. This is 3.400. So yes, you do getting double of the size in this. However, the big one I can only buy in Europe, while in the States only this one. Obviously, when I'm flying over there, I try to stack up because I can buy the bigger containers for way cheaper. Another empty of the hand cream. That's the Panthenol Vitamin E Hand Repair Extra Dry Skin. The texture of it was like a whipped cream, but when you apply it, it melted and it did hydrate your skin, but your skin wasn't really greasy, and so you could still, let's say, work on a computer or do something, but it was hydrated at the same time. I have Argan Oil for my hair, which I was using after oh, by the way, I still have like half left. So that's the Argan Oil which I was using after I wash my hair, just to make them more manageable. I have a few products left and I'm gonna move over to the sheet masks. And that's another moisturizer from goat milk, from Jaya, from the goat milk collection with the SPF 20. Then we have hand cream from Nivea, hand cream protective care with beeswax. Herborian, I have their CC Correct broad spectrum SPF 20. To be found out, I heard many good things about this product. Hand cream with okay, it's a smoothing hand cream with cherry and silk. We shall see, but it is a neat package. And then from Nivea, that's their anti-pigmentation something cream with SPF 50. So what do you have? So it comes with a pump. What do you have? And I don't know what does it has because it doesn't say it. Okay, to be find out. The last item before I move over to the sheet mask is the Lancer Omega Hydratic Oil with Ferment Complex. Obviously, I use it up. You can still see there is a tiny bit left. It was a oil. I use it at night as the last step in my skincare routine. It was fine. Like, it's a oil. Here I have many masks. Some are still still new, some already use it, but I decided to keep it to show it to you. And I think about some of those masks. There are biodegradable, biodegradable, by home composite sheet mask. And I like the concept because when you use sheet mask, most of the time just throw them away and then go to the landfill. With those ones, at least you have that mentality somewhere in your head that, you know what, I'm gonna be causing less damage. Either way, let me go over to the one that you have up here from Garnier. That's their hydrating sheet mask with super hydratic replumping hyaluronic acid, pomegranate dehydrated skin. It was nice. I think you could buy the similar one here, but it comes in a different package. This one is with aloe, which was hydrating. Then this should be familiar to you because you can buy it here as well. That's the Hydro Balm, Super Hydratic Rebalancing, Normal to Combination Skin, Extract of Green Tea, Hyaluronic Acid. I do enjoy the Garnier Hydro Balm masks. You cannot really go wrong with them. Then we have a repeat from the previous one. What is this? This was some kind of a hydrating mask. Most of the time, if it says hyaluronic acid, you know it's gonna give you hydration. That's the Denivia Q10 Mask with vitamin C, I believe. Q10 Energy Instant. No. Yeah, vitamin C is identical Q10. It was nice. Sometimes I use it in the morning. It gives you that nice boost of radiation. Obviously, you cannot go for the vitamin C because vitamin C is not long enough on your skin. But as a nice pick-me-up in the morning treat, it is a neat item. This is something different. That's their ampoule 2% niacinamide ampoule sheet mask, detox niacinamide, cal extra for oily skin. Even though it says for oily skin, I use that. For example, like this is the actual sheet mask. This is the ampoule. So for example, this you're gonna make it for like 15 to 20 minutes. This it's only for like 5 minutes and then you take it off. So it's something like a fast pick me up. Honestly, I don't remember what it did. I think it was okay. Another sheet mask from Nivea. Oh yeah, I have a full mask of the Garnier Hydro Balm with how you call it? With pomegranate for the hydrated skin. And this one, it is neat. I do like it. Obviously, there is a reason why I have 3 of those. From Garnier Hydro Balm, I have one with chamomile for dehydrated skin. Then another one with where are you at? With green tea, chamomile, and then from from Neutrogena, I have a hand mask, Cica Repair hand mask, one moisturizing mask which you're gonna put for 10 minutes. So obviously it's not a new concept. You have a piece of glove which you're gonna put on your hands, keep it, and when you take them off, your hands gonna be nice and smooth and younger looking. And that brings us to the end of the video. Yes, UP, you guys survive, and me as well.